Hello my dear friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for another awesome Paracord project. For this project, we're gonna use this blue Paracord Type 550, the shorter piece, and the longer one, joined with this neon green Paracord, also 550. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, we're gonna start. We're gonna take the shorter piece of our blue paracord, find the center by pulling the ends of the strand, and then take the ends, pass it from the back through the buckle, like so. Now we're gonna pull it from the top into this loop, and we're gonna cinch it. So as you can see, we created the basic cow skirts. Now we're gonna pass to the bottom side of a bracelet, pull the strands from the top into the buckle, from here we're gonna take our right side strand, pass it from the top into the middle, and then we're gonna return it from the back, as you can see, through the loop here. And we're gonna cinch this. Now we're gonna take the left side strand, we're gonna pinch this from the back, then take the left side strand and pass it also from the top into the middle between the core strands, and return it from the middle through the loop on the left and cinch it. So now we created our bracelet core. From here we're gonna take our joint cords, the neon green and the blue, and we're gonna start with our weaving pattern. So we're gonna take the blue strand, and we're gonna create a little bite like this and place it on top of the core strands. Then we're gonna take our neon green, place it on top of the blue strand and the core strands. Then we're gonna pull the neon green under the core strands and from the back through the loop on the left. And we're gonna cinch this. Now we're gonna repeat, create a little bite, place it on top of the core strands with the neon green on top of the core and the working ends, and then from the back through the loop on the left, and tie this. So we're gonna repeat this. And from here I'm gonna create a simple cobra knot or Solomon weave. So I'm gonna place the neon green on top of the core strands, then with the blue on top of the neon green, around and from the back through the loop on the left side created by the neon green. And from here I'm gonna take the blue strand and pass it from the top into the middle between the core strands, just to hide it, because it's firmly secure in the cobra knot. Like so. Now we're gonna detach it, cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!